Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about two amazing vision correcting procedures that can really change your life. Have you ever been frustrated with your glasses or contacts, bifocals? Well, LASIK and RLE may be the answer for you. You've all heard of LASIK. Our eyes are like biological cameras with two focusing elements, the cornea and the lens. LASIK works by reshaping the outside cornea with a laser, which corrects your vision. And it's a great option typically for ages 18 to 40 years old. On the other hand, RLE is geared towards those over 50 years old. As we age, our natural lens stiffens and becomes less able to focus from near. This is called presbyopia. RLE can help with that. We use a laser to replace the aging inside lens with a customized full focus lens implant. This procedure can help people who weren't candidates for LASIK, and it can also be done on patients who had LASIK but now need reading glasses or bifocals. RLE is a powerful vision correction procedure that allows us to fix nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, and presbyopia simultaneously. And the best part is, with RLE, we also prevent cataract formation later in life. So no matter your age, LASIK or RLE could be the answer to your vision problems. Book an appointment today and let's see how we can help you. Thank you for your attention.